Hey there, and welcome to the Easy English Way. Today, we're talking about something that might surprise you. If you've been struggling with English, it's probably not because of your study method. It's not about textbooks, teachers, or grammar rules. The real reason most people fail to learn English isn't about language at all. It's about psychology. That's right. Your mindset, your emotions, and your habits play a much bigger role in your success than you think. I know this may sound surprising. After all, we all expect that if we work hard, we will eventually get better. But here's the truth. Research and my own experience show that about 80% of your success in learning English is linked to your psychology. How motivated you are, how positive your attitude is, and how you set up your daily habits. The remaining 20% is indeed about the methods you use, like the books you read, the teachers you have, and the materials you follow. But if you are not in the right mindset, even the best materials in the world won't help you progress as fast as you could. Imagine two students starting to learn English at the same time. Both have access to great materials, excellent teachers, and the latest learning tools. One student begins his morning by playing his favorite happy music, taking a few minutes to do some light stretching to energize himself before he starts his learning routine. He sets a positive tone for the day, feeling enthusiastic and ready to absorb new knowledge. The other student, however, wakes up feeling tired and stressed, dreading the English lessons that lie ahead. In your opinion, which one do you think will advance more quickly? The key difference isn't the study materials or tools. It's the attitude you bring to your learning journey. Think about a time when you were really excited about something. Maybe it was a holiday, an event, or even a simple walk in the park on a sunny day. When you are excited, you notice everything around you, the colors, the sounds, and the smells. You remember those moments clearly because your whole body was engaged. The same thing happens when you learn English. If you can set your body and mind into a positive, energetic state, then learning becomes almost natural and effortless. Now, you might ask, how can I get into a good mood and a positive state for learning English? Let's explore some simple ideas to do this every day. Making a good place for learning a language does not happen overnight. It starts with a small change in your daily routine. Imagine setting aside a few minutes each day to practice English. Maybe by listening to your favorite English song, reading a short story, or speaking out loud to work on your accent. By choosing a time when you feel awake or happy, you start to connect that moment with learning and progress. This makes your study time something you enjoy instead of a boring task. The next step is to be kind to yourself as you learn. There will be times when you feel unsure, and that is normal. Instead of getting upset over mistakes, see them as chances to learn something new. Every mistake is a step forward, and each small success, like understanding a difficult grammar rule or having a clear conversation, shows that you are improving. This way of learning not only helps your English but also makes you feel more confident and positive. Another good idea is to include your hobbies in your English practice. If you love cooking, try reading English recipes or watching cooking videos in English. If you like writing, keep a journal or write short stories in English. When you mix learning with things you love, it feels more natural and fun. This makes studying a part of your daily life instead of a separate task. Talking with others also helps you stay positive. Chatting with other English learners or native speakers can be very encouraging. These conversations give you practice and useful advice. Sharing your learning journey with others creates a friendly group where every bit of progress is celebrated. This kind of support makes learning less scary and more like an adventure. Finally, pay attention to how you talk to yourself. The words you use can change the way you learn. Instead of focusing on your mistakes, remind yourself of your improvements. Tell yourself that you are getting better each day and that your hard work will pay off. This positive self-talk can turn doubts into strong determination, making every study session a chance to grow both in English and as a person. Every small effort you make adds up to big progress. With a few simple changes to your daily routine, you can create a learning space that supports both your English skills and your feelings. So, take a deep breath, follow your interests, and let your positive emotions help you learn English. Enjoy each step of your journey, and remember that progress comes from practice, self-kindness, and the courage to try something new every day. I want you to imagine what your life will be like when you reach a higher level of English. Imagine being able to watch your favorite English movies without subtitles, or to chat easily with friends from different countries. Picture yourself feeling confident when you travel or even when you need to use English at work. That feeling of achievement is closer than you think. It all starts with the right mindset and a simple daily routine that makes learning enjoyable. I want to emphasize that the journey to learning English is not just about the amount of time you spend studying. It is about the quality of your study time. When you are relaxed, happy, and fully engaged, every minute counts. This approach is what I call effortless learning. It is not about forcing yourself to study hard and getting frustrated. It is about enjoying the process, feeling good, and letting the language become a natural part of your life. Focus on being positive, motivated, and open-minded. This can make a huge difference in how quickly you learn. So, instead of focusing solely on grammar rules or memorizing vocabulary lists, try to pay attention to how you feel while learning. Are you enjoying the process? Do you feel confident and excited about speaking English? If not, think about what small changes you can make to bring more joy and energy into your study routine. There might be times when you feel like giving up or when progress seems slow. This is completely normal. Learning a new language is a long journey, and there will be ups and downs along the way. The important thing is to stay positive and keep going. Remember that every time you listen to an English lesson, even if you do not understand everything, you are still making progress. Your brain is always working in the background, absorbing new sounds, words, and patterns. One day, all those small pieces of knowledge will come together, and you will notice that you can understand and speak English more naturally. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and listen to my advice. I really hope that you find these tips helpful and that you start to see a change in your learning process. If you enjoyed this video or if you have any questions or thoughts to share, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you and help you overcome any challenges you face. Don't forget to subscribe to the Easy English Way for more practical tips and engaging lessons that are designed to make learning English easier and more enjoyable. Together, we can build a community of learners who support each other and make progress every day. Your success in learning English is not just about the hours you put in. It's about enjoying every step of the journey and believing that you can achieve fluency with the right mindset. So, start tomorrow with a fresh perspective. Embrace the power of positive thinking. Create your daily ritual. The road to fluency might have twists and turns, but with determination and the right approach, you can overcome any obstacle. Thank you once again for joining me today. I look forward to hearing about your progress and celebrating your success. Remember, the key to learning English is not just about studying hard. It's about feeling good, staying motivated, and making the language a joyful part of your life. Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep enjoying the journey. I'll see you in the next video on the Easy English Way. Take care and have a fantastic day ahead.